Mireille, before I met you, it was a time in my life with many questions and uncertainties. I still remember the night you walked into my life. I never expected to meet the woman of my dreams. I am forever grateful our paths have crossed by chance that night.
When we decided that we were going to get married this way, I started to think about this exact moment. It immediately brought me back to the night that we first met. Because in that moment, it's like the rest of the world just didn't exist, and all that we could do was look at each other through the crowd.
I would like to take a minute to acknowledge where we are right now, to recognize the natural beauty of our surroundings, the giant mountains, the beautiful rocks, the glaciers, this incredible view. A beautiful place to get married, acknowledging this is on the unceded and traditional territory of the Squamish First Nation.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Think about this moment and think about everything you've been through to get here. How does the rock feel under your shoes? Can you feel that warm summer's breeze? Most importantly, can you feel your heart beating inside your chest?
I love you so much, not only for who you are, but who I am when I am with you. You make me become a better person with you by my side as my wife. I promise to always be honest and faithful to you. I promise to prioritize our family and our marriage above anything else. And my final promise to always choose you and only you for the rest of my life. I love you.
Greg, I love you with my whole heart. And every day I'm thankful for you. Well, I mean, most days anyway. No, I'm kidding. No, but seriously, thank you for the person that you are and for always making me feel so loved.
With this ring,
We forge a new path
we forge a new path
on our adventure together.
on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
I will always love you.
With this ring,
We forge a new path
forge a new path
on our adventure together.
on our adventure together.
I will always love you.
I will always love you.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you as husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.